stocks in news. For that, let's go to our researchers, Megha and Yatin. Megha, it's you as always with the list of large cap stocks.
Well, Nikunj, very good morning, and look out for Maruti. The board was the top management of Maruti was supposed to meet yesterday in order to take a decision on when to reopen the Manesar plant, but that decision has been deferred till Friday. Remember, the plant Maruti had announced a lockout of the plant on the 21st of July there, and since then there has been no operations happening in the Manesar plant there. Some media reports are indicating that Maruti might actually go ahead and reopen the plant sometime next week under heavy security there. Remember, Maruti is losing close to 90 crores per day on back of the closure of the Manesar plant, which amounts to over 1500 crore of losses being incurred by Maruti till now. So keep an eye on the counter there. It's trading above the 20-day moving average. Also look out for ICICI. They're going to start their $1 billion bond sale today. Apart from that, in an 18-hour exclusive, ICICI Bank has moved the DRT in its exposure in Deccan Chronicle. The company has close to 490 crore of exposure in Deccan Chronicle and has moved a plea against the IFCI and Deccan Chronicle case. The company wants no decision to be made by DRT before the hearing of the company's case. So look out for the counter. There are two sets of news pieces developing for ICICI. It's given a return of close to 3% in the last 1 month.
Okay, let's bring in Yatin as well to talk about the small and mid caps in the news this morning. Yatin.
Good morning, Aisha. The first stock to watch out for will be SCI, Shipping Corporation of India, and the company is looking at a joint venture with oil and gas major ONGC for its offshore business. Now, do remember, SCI gets a major chunk of ONGC's offshore business, which includes oil and gas exploration. And now, via this particular joint venture, Shipping Corp is looking at total business to the tune of 30 to 50% of total ONGC requirements. We have other companies like Varun Shipping and G Shipping, which are also service providers to ONGC. But now, Shipping Corp is looking at a joint venture with ONGC in order to garner that 30 to 40% incremental business. However, the stock is trading at a 52-week low after posting 3 to 4 consecutive quarters of losses. We also have Reliance Retail, which is a subsidiary of Reliance Industries, which is continuing to be in news. Reliance Retail is planning a joint venture with European retailer Quicksilver. Now this will be a 51% is to 49% joint venture between Quicksilver as well as Reliance Retail under the single brand FDI. The company is looking at tapping the FDI funds from Quicksilver. Quicksilver, do remember, is a European retailer which has various brands in the sportswear segment. So this will be an important announcement coming in for Reliance Retail if this particular joint venture goes through via the single brand FDI. If we talk about the Reliance Industries stock, it has been gaining nearly 10% in the last 10 trading sessions, trading above the 200-day moving average.